Have you ever felt like no one truly gets you? Like your heart is speaking a language no one understands. Today, we're going to explore the power of listening, not just with our ears, but with our hearts, and discover the magic of empathy.
Tanda bro, big.
Okay na ganda, may miss mo na our flight. This is a disaster.
Kaya nyo yung kaya nyo na.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. How can I assist you?
Assist me? You need to fix this. Our flight is late on an hour. Your taxi never showed up.
I understand the frustration, Mr.
It's Jerry, and I don't understand your understanding. We have a wedding to attend.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, Mr. Jerry. Let me see what I can do. Bakit? There's a taxi service available nearby. I'll call them immediately and see if they can get to you in an hour.
I will pay road.
I'll personally drive you to the airport myself. I have a company car.
The driver us.
Absolutely. I want to make sure you make your flight.
Go it.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. I called the taxi now.
Reyes had been suspended. She does and has kept his wife from
I agree. She's a valuable asset to our team. Her empathy shines through in every interaction.
I have learned a lot from watching. She always finds a way to escape the situation and ensure our guests feel valued.
That's the key, Sharon. Empathy and genuine desire to help make all the difference. It's about putting ourselves in our guests' shoes and understanding their needs.
And in our mind, for making them.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I'm Jerwin, the hotel manager. I understand there was a problem with your transportation.
Yes, the taxi never showed up.
I sincerely apologize for this lapse in service. It's unacceptable. I'll personally investigate this and ensure it doesn't happen again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. That's very kind.
Excellent handling, Ella. Thank your composure and what about and beyond our guests.
Thank you, sir. I understand how stressful it can be to miss the flight. So I wanted to do everything I could to help.
That's the kind of service we strive for.
Key elements of empathy. Active listening. Rhea actively listened to Jerick's concern and acknowledged his frustration. Genuine apology. Both Rhea and Jerwin offered sincere apologies for the inconvenience caused. Going the extra mile. Rhea offered to personally drive them to the airport, demonstrating a willingness to go above and beyond. Understanding and compassion. Rhea showed understanding of Jerick's stress and anxiety. Taking responsibility. Jerwin took responsibility for the service lapse and assured guests that corrective measures would be taken. This scene demonstrates how empathy can be effectively incorporated into customer service interactions, leading to improved guest satisfaction and loyalty.
and gentlemen.
What? I am not.
Wedding to attend.
Saan ba ako dyan?